Welcome to Random Knowledge Hub for a brand new video.
What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is on-demand delivery of IT resources, hardware, software and applications through the internet. To understand this concept, let us consider a simple example. Suppose we want to start an IT company, so as a part of the infrastructure, we would require various softwares and hardwares like servers, hard disks, routers, etc. Not all businesses can afford high-cost IT infrastructure. Here cloud computing comes into picture. How does cloud computing solve this problem? Small companies, IT or non-IT, give contract to cloud service providers to handle their servers, and it's responsibility of cloud service providers to maintain the server and provide backup facilities. Its efficiency in storing data, computation and less maintenance cost has attracted bigger businesses as well. Cloud computing helps businesses to convert their maintenance cost into profit. Let's consider the example of any automobile company. They never hire engineers to maintain their servers, rather they give contract to cloud service providers like IBM and Amazon. In other words, storing of data and application on remote server and accessing them via the internet rather than saving or installing them on personal or office computer is called cloud computing. It is accessing, manipulating and configuring the hardware and software resources remotely. For example, we can store our data on Google Drive and this data can be accessed from anywhere. If you liked our content, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content.